The Ram 1500 eTorque features auto-dimming rear-view mirrors that reduce glare from headlights, enhancing nighttime driving safety. This video explains how to enable or disable this feature. This functionality is standard on Tradesman, Bighorn, and higher trims, with optional upgrades available for base models. The mirror uses electrochromic technology, where a voltage changes the mirror's opacity. Light sensors detect ambient conditions and headlights from behind. A microcontroller processes this data, dimming the mirror automatically. This blocks up to 90% of incoming light, reducing eye strain and accident risk. To enable auto-dimming on your Ram 1500 eTorque, first locate the button on the mirror's housing. It's usually marked with a sun icon and positioned near the bottom edge of the mirror. Once you've located the button, press it once to activate the automatic dimming mode. This is a simple single press, no need to hold it down. After pressing the button, look for the LED indicator to light up, typically green, confirming that auto-dimming is now enabled and active. This physical button method is the easiest and most direct way to enable auto-dimming, requiring no navigation through menus or screens. To disable auto-dimming using the physical button, press and hold the button for 2 to 3 seconds. The LED indicator will turn off, indicating that the mirror has reverted to standard reflective mode. This is useful for daytime driving or when glare isn't an issue. Newer 2025 to 2026 Ram 1500 eTorque models allow adjustments through the Uconnect 5 infotainment system or newer. Navigate to Vehicle Settings. Then select Mirrors. Look for the Auto Dim option. Here you can toggle the feature on or off using the touchscreen. In some cases, snow or bright reflections can interfere with the auto-dimming mirror sensors. Snow or bright reflections can block sensors, causing improper dimming. For example, in snowy conditions, sensors may detect false glare or become obstructed. To troubleshoot, first clean the sensors gently with a soft cloth, check for any obstructions like snow or ice, and test the feature in different conditions. Refer to the mirror diagram to locate the ambient and glare sensors for cleaning. In extreme weather conditions like heavy snow, consider temporarily disabling the feature to prevent sensor issues. Stellantis regularly releases over-the-air updates for the Ram 1500 eTorque to enhance the auto-dimming mirror's performance. These updates improve dimming sensitivity and reduce false activations in various conditions. The updates address minor software glitches and ensure optimal performance. Check for updates through the Uconnect infotainment system to maintain the mirror's effectiveness. For example, a Minnesota driver reported sensor interference from snow glare and disabled the feature. After an OTA update, the system recalibrated automatically, improving performance in winter conditions. Regularly check for these updates to ensure your Ram 1500 eTorque's auto-dimming mirror works reliably in all driving conditions. Auto-dimming mirrors in the Ram 1500 eTorque are a crucial safety feature that significantly reduces glare-related accidents. According to studies from the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, vehicles equipped with this technology experience a 20% lower incidence of rear-end collisions caused by nighttime glare. Looking ahead, future trends include integration with adaptive cruise control and lane keeping systems, allowing the mirror to dim preemptively based on predicted glare. Augmented reality overlays will display navigation data and alerts directly on the mirror, reducing reliance on the windshield. By 2026, smart mirrors may incorporate AI and advanced sensors like LiDAR for enhanced detection.